People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. If you're hearing background noises, please excuse me. It is not possible for me to record in very quiet area. Alright, so this is a brief commentary about Jamaica versus the US. The match was played in Austin, Texas last night, and the USA won with 2 points and Jamaica nil, and that is disappointing to Jamaicans because I was hoping for at least a draw where we would have gotten at least 1 point because we sit at the bottom of the table. So the road to Qatar World Cup 2022 gets a little bit bumpier. Nevertheless, we still have a chance to get there. Jamaica have 14 matches. We only played 4. So we still have a chance. And we have to give the Reggae Boys credit as well because we are in the CONCACAF zone and we are in the top 8. We are in the playoff. Only 8 of us live in that zone. The other team got eliminated. Turks and Caicos, Trinidad and Tobago, Guatemala, Big Bad 80. When 80 got eliminated, I was so shocked. 80 side is no walkover now. And they got eliminated. And Jamaica is still hanging in there. So we have to give them credit, man. Me, they're with them until, if that should happen, we get lick out, kick out. Hopefully that not happen because listen, I just want Jamaica to be at the World Cup 2022 in Qatar. Even if after we get there, we not come out of the group zone, I don't care. As long as we go to World Cup, I just want to get there. So I am right behind the Reggae Boys, motivating them, wanting them to at least win the match Sunday coming against Canada at the National Stadium. If them can't win it, them can at least, give me a draw. But I would prefer if they won the match. You understand? Yeah, man. Me they right back at them. Me not give up on them. Me not giving up on them. No, sir. I'm right behind them, cheering them on, motivating them. Come on, Reggae Boys. We can do it. Yeah, man. And I was hoping that spectators would have been at the, or I should say will be at the National Stadium this coming Sunday, because first they said that only fully vaccinated spectators will allow to be at the match. And because you don't know, say spectators are the 12 man. We don't say men, we say man. 11, each team have 11 people. Spectators, 12 man. Spectators makes a world of difference. When they are there cheering on their team, makes a world of difference. But Minister of Local Government Desmond Mackenzie said no spectators will be allowed. It is no movement day. Blah blah blah. Retete. I guess he's afraid of the backlash because you don't know, so people will come out on social media and say, oh, they can't get to do this and get to do that, but people can't go match. You don't know that. So I think he's avoiding all of that. So he said no spectators. And I personally believe that spectators will make a difference. People are saying that Jamaica should get rid of Theodore Whitmore as the coach. I agree, but who them I go get? Jamaica can't pay a big bad coach. They can't pay a big bad coach. That's why you understand them have Theodore Whitmore still a coach, because they can't pay him little or nothing. So I guess that's why it's still there. I cannot give step-by-step review about the match itself. In order for me to do that, I will have to upload the match to this channel and then play it, pause, give my comment and so forth. And because of copyright issue, I'm not gonna do that. But I can tell you that when the match first started, I was so upset with Taxi. That's Kemar Lawrence, because he's in the defense and he fouls the man because he shouldn't even around that side. He should be on the goal side. So when Durant I saw a foolish and he got a yellow card, and you don't know, so the commentators, especially one of them, got on top of my nerves because he was saying that Lawrence should have gotten a red card. Red card for what? A red card? Come on, man. Easy yourself, man. I was so upset. And then because the referee gave Lawrence a yellow card, now he's saying that it seems as if the referee is not up to international football standard. I mean, so what a man bright like he want a two before. I think the referee is from Grenada or somewhere from Dessa. Shamar Nicholson, one within thing, he missed quite a few goals. You have Maggie also. Yeah man, Maggie really go on within things as well. Maggie was Neville Bell player. Yeah man, watch that look at you the front of my group. Maggie. And then you have the goalkeeper for Jamaica, Blake. Yeah man, he used to keep for Glenmuir High School, and he used to keep for Sporting Central as well, and he's the top MLS goalkeeper in the US right now. I get it, the top MLS goalkeeper, so he's very good. But like I said, I can't go into much details because I would love to play the match, play the game, and give my analysis at that time, which would have been much better for me, and probably you would have understand a bit more. And on the low, son, Damian Lowe, the best defender for Jamaica. Trust me when I tell you that. Like I say, just keep on supporting the Reggae Boys. Don't write them off as yet. We still have a chance to go to the World Cup 2022. So yeah man, thanks for watching.